In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an emoji to your Slack name in just 5 minutes. Adding a personal touch to your Slack display name with an emoji can make your profile more engaging and fun, and it's super simple to do. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to Slack's website. You can easily do this by entering slack.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see all the wonderful tools Slack offers for work management and productivity. Really a fantastic spot for keeping your team connected and organized. Next, we need to sign in. Look for the Sign In with Google button on the page. If you use your Google account to sign into Slack, this is a convenient way to expedite the process. Just click that button and follow any prompts if you need to select your account or enter any credentials. Once successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is your main hub where you'll see all your workspaces listed down the side. Each workspace contains channels and conversations that are core to your team's communication. From here, the next step is to locate your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will bring up a menu of options related to your profile settings. In this menu, you'll see something that reads Update Your Status. Go ahead and click that option. It's not directly related to changing your name, but it's along the same lines of personal customization, which is key to today's task. As you click on Update Your Status, you'll see an option to add an icon that represents your current status or mood. This section will also allow you to choose an emoji. Now here comes the exciting part. Select the emoji you'd like to accompany your name. Emojis range from simple smiley faces to various representations covering moods, events, and more, so choose one that resonates with you or how you want your team to perceive you. After you've picked out the perfect emoji, make sure to save any changes. Slack will automatically update your display to show your newly enhanced identifier with the emoji right there beside your name. And there you have it, you've successfully added an emoji to your Slack name. It's a small adjustment with a surprisingly significant impact, helping express a little more of your personality and perhaps sparking a bit more joy in your daily digital interactions. Thanks for following along. Make sure to check out other ways you can customize your Slack experience to keep it fun and functional.